Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on night mode on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on night mode on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app on your phone, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and you will be on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings over here and you will have landed on this interface where you can see the chat settings option available for us. Just above the privacy and security, tap on chat settings, and over here on this interface you can find the switch to night mode option available for us on the color theme section. Now in order to turn on night mode on your Telegram, tap on the switch to night mode option over here, and then the night mode on your Telegram app on your phone will be enabled or turned on. That being said guys, this is how to turn on night mode on Telegram, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.